They say women are mysterious, but here's the truth. If you master just this one thing, she can't ignore you. It's not about money. It's not about looks. It's about presence. Let me explain. 1. Master your presence. When you walk into a room, what happens? Do people notice you, or do you disappear into the background? Presence isn't about being loud or flashy. It's about energy, stillness, controlled power. It's about walking with purpose, making strong eye contact, and speaking with intention. Women notice this immediately. They're not just looking at your face, they're feeling your vibe. She doesn't want a man trying too hard. She wants a man who's grounded, a man who feels like a rock in a world of noise. You don't need to talk too much. You don't need to brag. If you carry yourself with calm confidence, you'll stand out from 90% of men. 2. Hold your frame. Most guys fail here. They chase. They try to impress. They mold themselves to fit her world. But real attraction happens when you stay rooted. You hold your frame. You don't fold when she pushes. You don't explain yourself constantly. You simply are who you are, with or without her approval. She will test you. That's her nature. But if you stay centered, unshaken, she'll feel something rare, respect. She won't be able to look away, not because you tried to impress her, but because you didn't need to. 3. Be a man on a mission. Here's the truth. A man who's building something bigger than himself, that man becomes magnetic. You stop chasing women. You chase your goals, your purpose. And ironically, that's when women chase you. Because you're not needy. You're not desperate. You have direction, vision, momentum. A woman doesn't want to be your mission. She wants to join your mission. So build a life that inspires, a life that moves, a life that doesn't wait for her, but welcomes her if she qualifies. 4. Final words. Become unignorable. If you want to be the man she can't ignore, here's the formula. Don't fake confidence. Build it. Don't chase her. Lead her. Don't seek attention. Command it. Stand tall. Speak with clarity. Move with purpose. Because when you show up as a man who's grounded, focused, and unapologetically himself, she won't just notice you. She'll feel you. And that, my friend, is how you become unignorable. And if this message hit something real inside you, if you felt even a moment of truth in what I said, then do yourself a favor. Like the video. Subscribe to Alpha Vibes. Not for me, not for the algorithm, but for you. So you never forget what kind of man you're becoming. This is Alpha Vibes, where men rise, level up, and lead.